Have you ever wondered how you can make your screen just slide down and make it go like halfway like this? It is very simple, so let me show you how you can enable this. So this is a feature called Reachability. You can find it inside of your settings. Then you need to head over to the accessibility section marked by a blue icon with a person on it. Inside of this accessibility, just locate at the touch, and there is one toggle for reachability. You want to make sure that you have this button or toggle enabled, that it is green. Now, it is very simple. What you need to do is just start using your iPhone normally, and whenever you feel like you can't reach the top of the screen, now at the bottom you can perform this slide down gesture, which makes half of the screen just come back in here, so you can easily just reach for the upper corners. The phone will go back to its original state after a few seconds of inactivity, so it is really simple to do so. Also, if you have an older iPhone where you have a home button instead of this, then it works a little bit different, where you need to just double tap it, not even press it, just tap it like that, and it's gonna come down. But I assume that most people have like newer devices where the home button is not really a thing anymore in 2025. So this is how you can do this. It is a very useful feature if you, as I say, cannot reach the upper corners, usually with your thumb. So let me know below if you managed to get it to work. I honestly hope that you did. For more videos and content like this, where we get directly at the point, make sure you are subscribed and we can see each other in the future.